Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix Facebook group quality problem. So sometimes there might be some problem with the group qualities and everything in the Facebook. So how you can fix is just let's learn, and I'll teach you a very easy step. So just follow me, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. So now let's just get started. Firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Google Play Store, and then over there search for the Facebook, like this, and then just check if there is any updates coming up. If there is, just update it and check it internet connection as well, and go to settings, and then go to apps, and from there go to, just search for Facebook. Facebook is just over here, and from here just go to stories and just clear the cache memory and clear the data off as well, and then just try to use Facebook, and everything will be solved. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.